How to enable and disable Rings notifications. So first go ahead and open settings on your phone. Then you'll see a search bar at the top. Tap on it and type in apps. Then tap on the first option. Then tap on manage apps, which is right below system app settings. From here, you'll again see a search bar at the top. Type in Ring, and from here scroll down until you see an option called notifications. Then tap on it. From here, you can enable and disable the Rings notifications. And it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.